In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Kajabi into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this tutorial, I'm using my WordPress demo page to control the button. The destination is a Kajabi landing page, so the button is edited on the WordPress demo page, and Kajabi is where the visitor lands. Here is the Kajabi button on the demo page. At the moment, it points straight to the Kajabi landing page. That direct link works, but it does not give me a clean ClickMagick report for this specific button. First, I will open the Kajabi landing page in a new tab. This is the destination visitors should reach. I will copy the direct link from the browser. Now I will open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the link name, I will use Kajabi Landing Demo. Then I will paste the Kajabi landing page link into the destination field. This tells ClickMagick where to send visitors after it records the click. Now I will save the tracking link. ClickMagick creates a new tracking link for this Kajabi destination. I will copy that tracking link and return to the WordPress editor. Next, I will select the Kajabi button on the demo page. I will replace the old direct Kajabi link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button text stays the same. The page still looks the same to visitors, only the link behind the button has changed. Now I will update the WordPress page and open the live version. I will click the Kajabi button once to create a test click. The same Kajabi landing page opens, so the destination is correct. Now I will return to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click is now showing. Here I can see how many clicks this Kajabi link receives. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can review the clicks per day chart, link view, refer, sub-ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now, the Kajabi button on my WordPress demo page gives me clear click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.